We guide you through how to enter safe mode on your Windows 11 PC or laptop so you can troubleshoot problems, remove malware, or fix errors easily. Start by clicking the Start menu, then select Settings and go to System Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now and your computer will reboot into a special menu. Once you see the blue screen options, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Start Up Settings, and click Restart again. When your PC restarts, you'll see a list of options. Press 4 to enable safe mode or 5 to enable safe mode with networking if you need internet access. Your Windows 11 will now load with only essential drivers, making it easier to diagnose issues. And to exit safe mode later, just restart your computer normally.